Always it's a good idea to have at least one backup for your virtual machine. Now I will create full backup, and from the menu with right click I will select export to OC, and from this pop-up always you need to select the last open virtualization format. From the file you will select where you want to save the OVA file, and in my case I will put it in this drive. And from drop down list for MAC address policy I usually include all network adapters and MAC addresses, and set checkbox for write manifest file. By this way VirtualBox, when import the virtual machine, will check for integrity. Now the next step is to press next, and from here you can reduce the number of CPUs and RAM usage. For example, if you know you're gonna use this virtual machine in computer that have less RAM, maybe it's a good idea to reduce it from here. Now I will press finish, and now I need to wait for file to be 100% finished. Work on the virtual machine took me around 5 minutes, and now I want to show you how much disk space currently this virtual machine use. Around 7 gigabyte. And now I will show you the export file, how much big it is. And the export file is around 50% less, 2 gigabytes.